Hey guys, Todd here, coming to you from the seat of my D5 out at the club. And so just got word that the district court judge in Mock v. Garland, a pistol brace case down in the 5th Circuit in Texas, has ruled against the ATF. But what's more important, and what's going to make all you guys here in Illinois happy, you're like, Todd, why does this affect Illinois? It affects Illinois because the judge went on to say that modifying and how guns were made by gunsmiths and all that kind of stuff is covered under the Second Amendment. Essentially, he has adopted my theory of right to repair and used it against the ATF in the pistol brace rule, which bodes well for us in our case. So this is breaking news. I will have a video later this afternoon as soon as I get done pushing up this pile of dirt and cleaning out spot out here at the gun club for another project. But as always, like, subscribe, comment, and we look forward to going in depth on this decision from Justice Reed O'Connor down in the 5th District, where he found that the Second Amendment encompasses the right to repair. As always, frag out.